Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we will discuss about the topic concept of health, that is determinants of health from health education and community pharmacy. So from this topic concept of health, that is determinants of health, what we are going to study, that are definition of health and determinants of health. So first of all, let's discuss about the definition of health. WHO means World Health Organization gives the definition of health as health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity and the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. So let's discuss in detail about determinants of health. The factors which determine the health of an individual are many. Some are inside the body, that are called as genetic factors, and some are outside the body, that are called as environmental factors. So let's discuss about determinants of health. Health is determined by multiple factors. The health of an individual and community is influenced by individual, that is internal and external factors. The individual factors included by his own genetic factors and the external factors include environmental factors. These factors interact and these interactions may be health promoting or deleterious. Thus the health of individual and whole communities, it may be considered to be the result of many interactions. So there are mainly the determinants are get classified into two types. The type of determinants are individual and environmental. In individual there are again 2 points, that are genetic factors and lifestyle. Second one, that is environmental. In that again 4, that are socio-economic development, political will, availability of health services and other factors. So let's discuss in detail about first individual factor. In that first one, that is genetic. The health of the human being is to some extent is determined by genetic constitutional that take place at the time of consumption. Once the consumption of genes take place, it's permanent and cannot be altered. Biological determinants. The health of an individual partly depends on the genetic constitutions. A number of diseases, for an example, chromosomal abnormalities, inborn error of metabolism, mental retardation and some types of diabetes are some extent due to the genetic origin. Then second factor from individual, that is lifestyle, behavioral pattern and lifelong habits. For an example, smoking and alcohol consumption, food habit, personal hygiene, rest and physical exercise, bowel and sleeping patterns, sexual behavior. Then second type of determinants, that is environmental. Internal environment is constituted by various organs and systems of the body. The external environment is made up of physical, that is air, soil and water. Biological means plants and animals, and social means culture, beliefs and tradition. Any disturbance either in the internal or the external environment, it disturbs the health of the individuals. The lifestyle, socio-economic conditions, education, occupation, income and health services. Environmental factors, in that biological, disease producing agent, that is bacteria, virus, fungi. Intermediate host, for an example mosquito, sandfly. Vector, for an example housefly. Reservoir, for an example pig in then physical, that is air, water, light, noise, soil, climate, altitude, radiation housing, waste, etc. Psychosocial, psychologically makeup of the individual and the structure and functioning of the society. For an example, habit, beliefs, culture, customs, religion, etc. The socio-economic conditions, it consists of education, occupation and income. The world map of illiteracy closely coincides with the maps of the poverty, malnutrition, ill health, high infant and child mortality rate. The very state of being employed in productive work promotes the health, because the unemployed usually show a higher incidence of ill health and deaths. There can be no doubt that economic progress has positive impact factor in reducing morbidity, increasing the life expectancy and improving the quality of life. Availability of health and the family welfare service. Health and family welfare services cover a wide spectrum of personal and community services for treatment of disease, prevention of disease and promotion of health. The purpose of health services is to improve the health status of population. For an example, immunization of children can influence the incidence or prevalence of the particular disease. Provision of safe water can prevent the mortality and morbidity from waterborne diseases. Then other factors affecting the health are personal hygiene, exercise, rest and sleep, posture, that is body posture, clean home environment, influence of smoking, alcohol and drugs, climate and clothing, safety measures at play and work, our eating habits. Other determinants of health are, except above discussed determinants, there are many more determinants of health and disease of an individual and community. These include science and technology, information and communication, gender, equity and social justice, human rights, etc. So, what we learned from this topic, concept of health, determinants of health, the learning outcomes are: what is health and determinants of health. Thank you.